I have good news, guys. I have good news. For this beater box, look at that. Perfectly taped up. Nice and secure. This is a lot better than that last box that we had, which was like hanging open basically. So like I said, it was just a one-time thing. It looks like everything is secure this time, so thank goodness for that. Anyway, this box is $1,150 and I'm excited to open it up. If you guys want to see a mystery sneaker box, stay tuned. That will be coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another beater box episode. This beater box is $1,150 from soulsupremacy.com, and I'm excited to announce it's looking pretty good so far. I mean, the main thing is that it's taped up and we don't have that loose box anymore. Before we get into it though, I do want to give a shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. And I know a lot of you guys already know about Rose Gold and Black and you're wondering right now, hey, where's the necklaces? Which one are you showing us today? Where's the bracelets? I don't have any on, guys, but I do have on their newest product, which is watches. Watches, look at that. It is Rose Gold and Black's watch, guys. You guys see it up on screen over here. Rose Gold and Black is selling watches now, and just like their necklaces and their bracelets, the designs are great. They're very, very clean. Check this out. You guys can see it up on screen over here, and you guys can see it on my wrist over here. Just a very, very minimalistic design, guys. And the packaging is just really dope. Like, check this out. This is what you guys look at when you guys open up the box. Right now, I'm actually wearing that rose gold piece, so you guys can see the watch face is rose gold. However, this one you can see here is the all black piece, which is also very nice. It just depends on what kind of outfit you're wearing for the day. If you guys are into watches and you guys just want a little bit of more pop on your wrist, you know, you don't like bracelets, you don't like necklaces, everybody could use a good watch. So if you guys want to check out Rose Gold and Black's new watches, highly recommend you guys go to the description below. Click on that link. It will take you to RGB, where you will get 25% off your order if you use that link. So make sure you go to the description below, click that link. And what this thing is telling me now is that we need to start this video. So we will be getting into this right now. Thank you again to RGB for sponsoring this video. It is time for the Soul Supremacy beater box. And for those of you wondering where I get these beater boxes from, I do get them from soulsupremacy.com. Unfortunately though, the only way you can get beater boxes is if you have a membership through their website, and they have not opened memberships in a really long time. So please do not ask me like when they're going to open up. I do not work for Soul Supremacy. I have no idea when they're going to open up. They're all the way out in California. I live in Hawaii, man. Never ever even been to the shop, the physical shop. I just order these things online. If you guys want to check out Soul Supremacy though, highly recommend it. Link will also be in the description below. Anyway, fingers crossed we got something good in here, guys. Ooh, right at the beginning? Okay, I mean, I see a money shoe. I don't know what it is yet, but the box, I know what that box is. First things first though, this one is in a size 9.5. Ooh, okay. So we have a pair of Jordan 3 Fears. Wow, this is a good starting pair. You can see that the leather and stuff is still really, really good on this pair. No paint chipping or cracking on the inside midsole, which is good. Very, very good. Bottoms, however, do obviously show wear. And you know what? This is actually one of my favorite colorways for the Jordan 3, just because, again, you guys know me by now. Neutral colors is what I go for, so this one isn't loud at all. I also think that these have a decent amount of resale value. So if you guys want to follow along and see if we can actually make money on this mystery box, check the counter over here on the screen. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more shoes. It looks like 7. This one is a size 13 Jordan Spizike. Not good. This is one of the crazier Spizike models that I've seen in person. I'm not sure exactly what the colorway is called, but you can see that Spike Lee logo on the back over here. This one is a little bit used as well. You can see the bottoms are dirtied, and there's some creasing over here on the toe box on the leather, but other than that, there's no like markings or scuffs or anything. So very good pair still. I have never been behind Spizikes kind of doing too much. We were just talking about how I like minimal stuff. This is very, very loud. Very loud in terms of colors, and it's a culmination of like the Jordan 3, 4, and 5, and I think 6. Just too much stuff going on in my opinion, and I don't know. I never really got behind it, but there are a lot of people that do like Spizike. So if you guys want to purchase this one, check out the web store, linked in the description below. Sell all of my shoes on there. And I've been pretty good recently about uploading them like same day or before the video is even put up. I know, congratulations, you're doing what you're supposed to be doing. But it's not easy, guys. It takes a long time to like post all of these pictures and, you know, find the prices. It's not easy. It's not automatic. What is this? Pair of Jordan 6s in a size 10.5. Okay. You guys can see over here, this is like the first actual beater that we have. Lace is super dirty. All of this is actually really, really dirty. Bottoms dirtied up. A little bit of discoloration even. You got a couple scuffs on the back over here. All around, this is not a very clean sneaker, man. This was also made in 2012 though, so it's to be expected, man. This shoe is 7 years old now. 7 years old. Anyway, I don't think there's great resale value on this one, but if you guys want this will also be on the web store. All right, so we're switching up the Jordans only so far, which is nice. to an Ultra Boost. This one is a size 5 though, small Ultra Boost. Ooh, okay. And I think this is a pair of dead stock UBs. So you guys can see over here, still has a tag on, which is nice. And then obviously no wear on the bottoms or anything like that. I mean, it is a dead stock pair. I'm not sure what the market is for UBs anymore. It's kind of taking a turn downhill. It will be a little bit harder to move, but Ultra Boosts still have value, guys. Like, it's not hyped like how it used to be, but the thing is like, it's still a comfortable shoe. I myself actually have 2 pairs still. One of them I use for like running in the gym and stuff, so I use that like almost every day. Other one is like more of a going out shoe, so it's still comfortable and it's still good. I don't hate on Ultra Boost, it's just they kind of oversaturated it too much, so hype definitely went down. Anyway, next shoe out. This is part of a CDP pack, it looks like, and this is not one of the good ones. I'm not sure if you can catch this on camera, but there's like this weird like highlighter yellow kind of look. That might be like discoloration because these things are from 2007, so it's very, very old already. So yeah, it's not horrible condition at all. It's just this weird coloring. I'm not sure if you can like paint over that or whatever to get rid of that, or just simply like clean it off. We gotta see. Anyway, that definitely will affect the value on this one. So far we're doing okay though. You know, we got that Ultra Boost and we got 4 Jordans, so it's not too bad. 1150 bucks, but no money pieces so far. This one though is an Ultra Boost size 13, another Ultra Boost. Oof, okay. And I think these are called the OG Ultra Boost. You can see that purple heel on the back, and it is a 1.0 design. They did have a re-release of these like not too long ago. This one is a little bit used though. You guys can check the bottoms over here, and you guys can see some scuffing over here as well. I mean, at a time, these were going for insane amounts of money, like insane amounts of money. Since then, I believe the value dropped quite a bit on these. I could be wrong, and that's just like a really high number, but from what I remember seeing like on the market, it's not looking too good for these anymore. All right, 2 shoes left. I guess I'll pick this one first. This one is a Jordan 1 box, size 7.5. Which one we got though? Which one we got? Ooh, interesting. Okay, so we got a pair of Jordan 1 top 3s. So top 3s, you guys already know what it is. It has that royal design on the back. It also has bread and black toe accents on it as well. But the leather is clean on this. Like, there's no creasings over here, no creasings on the toe box, which means that it wasn't worn too much, but they just wore it into like dirt, or I don't know what that is. I hope it's dirt. Could be something else. That would suck. But yeah, the other shoes look fine. This is actually not bad. The only problem with this is it's a size 7.5. 7.5 is historically not a good size just because not too many people can fit that. It's like one of those weird like in-between numbers that it's just, there's not too many people that can fit that. So I'm not sure who will be buying these, but if you guys do want to check them out, again, a web store, link in the description below. We have made it to the money shoe of the box, guys. I saw this on the very, very top of the box, but I obviously knew it was going to be the money piece because we have an off-white Nike. This one is in a size 6 though, like I told you, super small box. Check that out. And it also is the Nike Zoom Fly, so this could be real bad or real good. Okay, good. Whew, that was close. So we do have a pair of the OG Zoom Flies. What I mean by OG is they also came out the pink and black version. I've never seen the Zoom Fly in person before, and honestly, this model is not bad at all. I'm not sure if I ever liked this like see-through mesh kind of thing, but it was always something a little bit different. So this one is actually the OG model. There's 2 other ones. There's like a pink one, which looks horrible. I never liked the pink one. And then also like a full black one. But this one is obviously the one with the most money because it did come from the OG line, the 10 series. Not certain what the price is on here. You guys can see over here. I'm hoping it's at least like $400-500 somewhere in there. If it's about $400 or $500, then the box makes sense. Like, it's a $1,150 box. We got a whole bunch of Jordans. We got some Ultra Boosts. If this is about half the price, then that would be excellent. That'd be great. Also has a zip tie in here, so that's good. And then also has the extra laces too. So always good, especially for like off-white stuff. Like, you want the freaking zip tie. Anyway, guys, that is it for this beater box. I'm not sure what you guys thought. Interesting box. I think the 2 money pieces obviously are the Jordan 1 top 3. Also that off-white Zoom Fly, which I think that's about roughly $800. But the thing that I like about this box is that they're all mainly like Jordans or UBs. Those are easy to move shoes, guys. And that's what you got to also calculate into these boxes, like ease of movability. Like, it's never hard to move like the money pieces, but for the more obscure models, those are what make or break the box. Having all Jordans is like a blessing, you know, like it's gonna be very easy to move. Anyway, that is it though. I do want to hear your guys' comments on this box. Always interested in seeing, like, am I way off on this? Is it like complete trash, or is it actually better than what I think? So hit those comments up down below. Let me know what you guys' thoughts on this box are. Also, if you guys have not already, be sure to subscribe down to the channel below and like this video if you guys want to see more beater boxes, guys. Till next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I will see you. Aloha. Shoots.